Hey everyone, I'm here to tell you about the amazing vinyl stickers from Printleaf. Trust me, these are game changers. First, let's talk quality. These vinyl stickers are incredible. The colors are vibrant, the edges are crisp, and they have this premium feel that's hard to beat. You'll be impressed by how professional and eye-catching they look. But what really blows my mind is the speed. Printleaf ships your stickers the very next day. That's right, you order today and your stickers are on their way tomorrow. It's perfect for those last-minute needs or when you just can't wait to see your designs come to life. The process is super easy too. Printleaf's website is user-friendly. Upload your design, choose your specs, and you're done in minutes. Durability, off the chart. These vinyl stickers are weatherproof, so they're great for both indoor and outdoor use. Stick them on your notebook, water bottle, window, wherever you want. They'll keep looking great. The versatility is amazing. There are so many creative ways to use Printleaf stickers. From product packaging to brand promotion, the possibilities are endless. Printleaf offers a range of sizes, so you can find the perfect fit for your needs. Whether it's for your business, art, or personal use, they've got you covered. Don't miss out on making your mark with Printleaf's vinyl stickers. Fast, high quality, and versatile. What more could you ask for? Give them a try. I bet you'll be just as impressed as I am.